In today's video, right now we see MACD is crossing bullish. NFTs are dead. What happened if the SEC doesn't appeal grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF? What a bad day. Guys, Crypto Junior with another video. I know everybody in crypto is lazy, and that's why you need to come to my channel, because I will do the hard work for you and do some research or news articles. And I found someone that was very interesting, but I will show you a lot more. So if you like my videos, hit the like and subscribe button, and let's go to the first article. What happened if the SEC doesn't appeal grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF? Because there is some deadline coming on the 13th of October, and on the 13th of October, the SEC needs to decide if they approve the Bitcoin ETF or not. They can delay it, but it's really hard to do because they need to find some really good reasons to do another delay. What we also can see is at this part, Bloomberg ETF analyst James Safford said, "An SEC attempt to deny on new grounds, but it's unlikely and very difficult needle to thread, but it could find some ways to keep delaying." He is just saying they can decline the approval, but it's very hard to do. But yeah, you know, in crypto everything is possible, and they don't want to see Bitcoin in a good way, but all we can do is wait. A lot of deadlines are coming, and that's what I want to show you later on, because I have another chart or a sheet that displays all upcoming deadlines, and they're coming very close. That's what I can tell you. And also what we can read here in this part, we can read that in a note of September, we can read that law firm Ropes and Grayscale warned the GBTC application could be sent back for a review for the SEC. And this will result in a potentially that the SEC got 8 months more to decide on the ETF. It's just speculation for now, but everything is possible. But now we're coming on at the most important part. We see a lot of applications are coming, and also a lot of deadlines. And those deadlines we need to keep in mind. This area, I'm sorry, it's not a very high quality one, but otherwise I cannot show it to you very clear because I need to zoom in. But at this area, we can see that on 17, 16, 17, 17, 17 October 2023 and also 19, the second deadline of all these approvals will come. So we can expect some volatility at this moment. Also, do you think NFTs are dead? I'm not thinking it. They are just sleeping or resting. In the history of Bitcoin, mentioning Bitcoin is dead is nothing new. We hear it many times. In 2017, when Bitcoin goes from 20,000 to all the way to 3,000, oh, hallelujah, the Bitcoin bubble collapsed and now it's gone. And what happened after? They go to 60,000 and all the people around right now crying, and they're just doing it again. But guys, people like to complain. They feed themselves with negative energy, and that's what they're doing right now with the NFTs. Are they dead? No, I don't think so. Like, is the hype gone? Yes, the hype is gone. But soon as the market recovers and we see another run upwards for Bitcoin, people looking for other possibilities to make money. And what is another possibility to make money? NFTs. Because they want to join some communities and groups, and also they want to speculate on prices of these pictures. And what we can read in this news article, like I said, headlines predicting the death of Bitcoin and are nothing new. It happens many times. It seems a little bit different this time. Maybe it's hard to pen such guy with Bitcoin hovering around 28k and a spot ETF on the horizon. NFTs are dead, decide lifeless. NFTs are Norwegian blue for Monty Python dead parrot sketch. And grave dancing has come, to quote a recent Rolling Stone headline. Your NFTs are actually finally totally worthless. Yeah, prices are down, but are they worthless? No, just less people are interested to buying with new fresh money NFTs. But a lot of people are still holding their own NFT where they believe in. And what we can see is also, we can see NFT trading volume by chain. And we see during 2021 and 2022, there was a lot of more volume. And yeah, we are at all-time low right now. But Bitcoin was too. Like, NFTs are new and they aren't here for such a long period. Like, they are here from since 2021, around that period. And yeah, like, we don't know if NFTs will ever recover back to their all-time high. But it's all speculation. If you look at Bitcoin, we also see going up, going down, going up, going down, and there's still a lot of projects are still above their pre-sale price. Like not all of them, but some of them. So I think NFTs are dead? No, I think we need to have some patience until the market conditions are better. If you think you had an unlucky day, this guy was way more unlucky. Trader swaps 131k stablecoins for 0 during USDR depacking. And USDR is a USD stablecoin that is backed by real estate. And what we can read, during a period of poor liquidity, slippage on DEX can reach as high as 100%. And we can see that he attempts to sell 1.8 million in compound USD through Uniswap V2 and only received $500 worth of assets in return. In this instance, another MFV performed an arbitrage trade before its over 1 million in profits were hacked just hours later. So, what a bad day. We can see Bitcoin reached a total of 1 million Bitcoin addresses with a balance of less than 1 Bitcoin. We can see it's rising exponentially, like from the beginning until now we reached more than 1 million wallets. I think it's a big achievement, and we can see still people are here and still believing in the long term of Bitcoin. And in case you missed, US core inflation rate was predicted, and actually the forecast was 4.1%, and it was actually 4.1% for September. And also Bitcoin did a reaction on this. We can see from this moment Bitcoin did a drop of 1.1%. It's not a lot, but it already recovered. And also what we can see inside the MACD indicator, we can see something very interesting. On the higher time frame, the MACD can be a very powerful tool. And what we can see when we check it out, we see the MACD crossed here bearish. And what happens after was a drop. And also here, right now we see MACD is crossing bullish. We see MACD crossing bullish. And last time the MACD crossed bullish at the bottom was here when we see the MACD crossed bullish. And what happens after? It was a push to the upside. And same here, it was very, very low. It didn't cross at the exact bottom, so it was a little bit too late. So indicators are not to predict the future. They just can help you to find a good area to buy potentially and also see which direction the market is going, but nothing is for sure with indicators. And same here, it crossed bullish, but yeah, it didn't happen. But right now we see again the MACD is crossing bullish, and most of the time we can expect a move. And right now it's very oversold, so we can expect a move to the upside, but again, nothing is for sure. If you're still here, thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate you watching my content. If you like my videos and you are not subscribed yet, do it now. And I see you in the next video. Bye bye.